If you are looking how to insert font symbol in Excel, then don't skip this video. If you want to insert black font symbol like this one, so how you can do that? You need to click on the insert on the top menu bar, and on the right side click on symbol, and here is the symbol, click on that. So in the window pane you need to select the wingdings, and here is the wingding. This is the wingding. So select it, and here is the font symbol. This is the black font symbol, and this is the character code is 40. You need to click on insert and close, and here you can see that. So if you want to insert this type of symbol, then again go to the insert, click on symbol, and here is the symbol, click insert, close it, and this is what you can see that. White, if you want to insert white font symbol, then again go to the insert symbol and click symbols, and now this time you need to pick wingdings too, and here is the white symbol, click insert, close it. So if you want to type another font symbol, then again go to the insert, click on symbol, and go to the symbol, and here is the black receiver symbol, click on insert and close. Moreover, there is another way you can use, which is the icon. Go to the insert again and click on the icons, and make sure your computer must be connected with the internet, and here you need to type phone and hit enter, and here is the two type of symbols. So I'm selecting this one, click on insert, and here you need to resize it and place in the middle of the cell where you want to place it. So in this way you can insert different type of font symbol in Excel. So if you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.